In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam overlay not working. Now first, what we need to do is we need to sign into our Steam account. From in here, you're going to click on Steam, Settings. From in here, you're going to go to In-Game. And from here, you should see the first one says Enable the Steam overlay in-game. Enable this one. Make sure you have the overlay shortcut. You're pressing the correct one. Now close this. If it still doesn't work, select the game you're playing. Right click on it. Properties. Make sure it is enabled the Steam overlay while in game. Now a third solution you can do is you can close down Steam. Go to the search and search for Steam. Then right click, run as administrator. Log in again and see if it works now. Hopefully one of these 3 solutions will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.